with Blackman the Traveller right now, and we're in the high road in Nansanna. So this is the real Kampala. This is a working class district of Nansanna.
So
and
it's like 10 something in the morning.
Yeah, it's about 10 in the morning. It hasn't even hit, sun hasn't even hit its peak.
Nah.
It's about what, 31 degrees?
31 degrees, about 10 something in the morning.
Yeah, so it's actually New Year's Day, it's a public holiday. And right now we are, yeah, it's a public holiday in Uganda. As you can see, you've seen a lot of characters, seen a lot of eyes. People don't know what day it is, they don't know what's happened. They're saying 2 Western black guys come to Uganda.
I think someone wants to say hello for your camera, right? There's a female that wants to say hello. Wait, is this filming? There's a girl that wants to say hello. Ogambachi mama. Mama. Oh. Sorry. Sonyiwa. Bye, mama.
A lot of people are very camera shy here in Uganda.
You know what? She wanted to get on the camera, but I never used her the daughter. I apologize.
Yeah.
A child. I'm sorry.
Yeah, a lot of people here in Uganda are camera shy, and there are a lot of characters. Walk this way, innit? We're gonna head towards my mum's yard now, my mum's house now. You have to be careful, you have to be very vigilant around here. We're gonna take this next left.
This guy has too much PTSD.
Yeah, look, what?
Yeah, too much.
Tell him go, tell him duck out. So a lot of these border guys, tell them duck. They're looking for business, so come through this way. So yeah, we've got little small businesses and shops. However, unfortunately right now, due to the fact it's the New Year's celebration, it's actually closed. So yeah, a lot of people got drunk last night and forgot to open up their businesses. And this is what happens when you consume alcohol. The mother of all evils. But yeah, enough about that rant, here we are. So we are heading back to the compound now. So yeah, walk straight ahead of me and it's the next left. And then I'll let you know which house it is. Yeah, no, there's a few ghetto kids. You have to be very aware. There's a lot of hidden talent, a lot of ghetto kids here in Uganda.
Sewo. Jangu Sewo. Jangu, you want to come on camera? You want to say hello? For YouTube, say hello. You watch videos? Nice jacket.
Kale, yogera Uganda, to yogera Luzungu. Omani Luzungu.
Hello, you alright?
Omani Tutono Muzungu. Okay. Ovawa, where have you guys come from?
Oh, Miranda?
Yes. Oh, Randis, okay. Welcome to Uganda. Chigali, welcome.
What brings you to Uganda? How come you've come to Uganda?
Just coming here to work.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah.
Kampala a lot better than Chigali to work?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it? Okay. I always thought Rwanda was better than Kampala to work. Okay.
What's interesting about Uganda so far you've been here? Like, what do you like about Uganda so far?
Oh, you're gonna check Uganda compared to the YouTubers. To the YouTubers, yeah.
So, where are you coming from?
Well, I came
Bunkureza, so UK.
We just came today from London,
Yeah.
so we're just traveling around filming.
I like to be there.
For sure, one day, you know, pray hard and London will be possible.
On YouTube, it's King Kai Media, that's his channel. Blackman the Traveller, that's my channel.
So check it out, yeah. Kale, Bera Bulunji. Okay, take care, yeah. Thank you for your time, yeah. Respect, peace. Yeah, people are very very. You see that? People are very apprehensive with the camera. They see it, they don't know what to say, they don't know. It's like they get stage fright. What did you think of that interaction, Blackman?
I think the interaction was okay. Just a bit of a misunderstanding. But they went from Uganda, they were from Rwanda, so it just shows that Uganda's diverse.
Very diverse.
So you've got the neighbouring countries coming over here, and they said that Uganda's better for work than
Kigali.
Which I find a bit bizarre.
Likewise.
One of the most blessed economies right now.
In Africa, sort of, yeah. Says all. So yeah. And now this is someone's compound.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. I think they own a business still. A lot of people are doing well around here. This is like the middle class part of Nansanna now.
Uganda!
Hey, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! For sure. Tuva Bungereza. Eh. Over wano. Obera wano. Wale mukadea. Kale sevo. Kale vere bulungi.
Uganda!
Yeah, so alright. Like, man, you're killing me with this, fam.
You gotta make it energetic, fam.
Yeah, let them know we're here.
We'll be here.
Let them know we're fully here. So yeah, we literally.
I don't know where we are, but we're somewhere in the suburbs, though.
Yeah, my mum's house is just here on the right, innit? So I'm gonna stop filming in a bit. And then yeah, from there on, we'll take it from there. So yeah, we'll continue filming once we get to a more interesting part of Kampala. Right now we're just in the suburbs. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, King Kai Media. Like, comment, subscribe, Black Man the Traveller.
Like, comment, subscribe, and all that.
Check it out. And we're out. Right now with Black Man the Traveller. We're in a matatu, public transport. We saying very hot. And yeah, we're getting a lot of activity over here. Got a lot of people here behind me. You see the driving standards here. Mad. Got my cousin here. Magambachi uncle. Magambachi waswa. What are you doing? Yeah. You're here, you're chilling, you're riding. That's it. We're here. Welcome to Kampala, people. So we're doing the original routes. You know, we're really organic. See everyone here on the matatu. Everyone's chilling. So I guess people they're not getting off. But yeah, this is a public transport here in Uganda. It's a lot of dust, a lot of activity, no seat belts, no driving standards, you know, it's just a YOLO. Sometimes might drive the other side of the road, but you know, it's how it goes here. So yeah, right now we've just left Nansanna, so that's a suburb just outside Kampala. We're heading into the centre of Kampala. We're gonna head over to the business district. Take it from there.
How far is it?
The business district's another 15 minutes, so about another 5 stops. And then yeah, we're actually, yeah, we're not too far now. But yeah, we were just on the suburbs of Kampala before, and now we're slap bang in the middle. And it's gonna start getting busier and busier. So I'm gonna continue filming once I get into town. People are getting off the bus itself. Take it from there. Like, comment, subscribe, King Kai Media. Ovamu. Sorry, excuse me. Sonua. It's happening also about 30 degrees now, and we're on the high road. There's a lot of activity going on. As you can see, a lot of borders here, people with bikes. They love their bikes here. It's the best form of transport because of the jam-packed traffic and the road conditions. You know, there's no rules and regulations. The borders will ride on the pavement. If they knock you down, it's your fault. They don't take accountability. I'll just give you an inside view. You know, this is how can I say it, the realities of life in East Africa, Uganda. It's a beautiful country, great terrain, but it's just very harsh. Like, the economic opportunities are dire. Unless you're well connected, well respected, oh my days, or educated, it's very hard to really do much. Or have a hustler's mentality. But big up these people, man. Through the strife and the tribulations, they have a lot of faith in God. They're very positive as well. And they've got good mannerisms and well disciplined. And yeah, they're very camera shy here. I'm not sure what cameras have done to them, because they're either antisocial. They say don't film me or I'm gonna smash your camera. So I'm not sure. Maybe technology hasn't advanced as yet. I'll come over here for them to accept the camera. But yeah, this is an untouched gold mine. Uganda is beautiful, beautiful country. And we're currently in Kampala, Nansanna. Just in the suburbs.
It's so funny because everyone's like this, the eyes are wide open.
Yeah, they lit up every time they see us. And you got black men there in shorts. They can't believe it.
It's too hot, man.
They can't believe it.
This is the brother wear shorts in the whole country.
Yeah. The only time you catch me in shorts is by the beach.
I don't care if it's too hot, too hot.
Yeah, no, make the most
of
of
it. It's a proper conservative country, I really respect it.
Yeah, no, it really is. But the people are good, the struggles are real, and there's a lot going on.
It's a warehouse of juices or...
Yeah, I think this is a brewery, yeah, they do alcohol here. So literally. But yeah, I'm going to continue this vlog.
Hello, sister.
Once we get back into
You
town.
wanna say hello?
Smile for YouTube. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of people are camera shy, but they're really friendly once we're off camera, I have to say. But yeah, I'll continue filming once we get to more into the city. You're going to see the nitty-gritty side of Kampala, and we're currently in the suburbs of Nansanna, so it's a 20-minute drive. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, King Kai Media. Here we are with Blackman the Traveller, taking a tour around the neighbourhood.
Yeah.
How's it feel, man? Look, we're
Humid. I'm having a mango, but having a mango. This mango I probably got it from your garden on the tree. That's how you know we're in Africa. Everything's fresh.
Yeah, no, I literally just picked it from the village.
Wow.
I just came back from the village yesterday, and yeah, one of the fresh mango trees that one of my grandfathers had on his plantation, and they gave us 10 mangoes. We got a whole chicken as well. They gave us a whole chicken.
Whole chicken, 10 mangoes.
And they gave us some cassava as well and some papaya.
Papaya now.
Yeah, you don't like papaya?
Papaya and jackfruit. Don't feed me that in Africa.
Why? You're missing out, bro.
It's disgusting.
You're missing out. So right now, yeah. So right now we're just doing a local vlog, walk around the local neighborhood. We're about to go check my cousins as well. So I've got other cousins that live within what, I'd say a 5-minute walk from my mum's house. So yeah, Ogambachi. Overdoing yeah. Jebra. So we just got people just here, just literally just hustling, doing what they're doing. Yeah, man. How's it feel to be back in Africa, Blackman?
Feels good.
Yeah.
The mango's even fresh.
Oh, proper, bro. That was picked yesterday. Sweet and tender.
Sweet and tender.
Yeah.
Wow, we're deep in Uganda, bro. Look at this.
Yeah. Let me show the people.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna see if my cousin's in though. He lives in Sweden, but he's here for Christmas.
He lives local.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you. I need to remember where he lives, innit? I've only come here. I've only been to his yard like twice.
I've got to start talking, bro.
Yeah. All you do is Osiviota.
Familiar with the language.
Yeah. And the Java they cut. Call it now. The Java they cut.
Yeah, they will be happy. Devil in a red dress.
Who's that? Here we are, yeah, we're deep in it. But yeah, I'm gonna give them a surprise visit. They're gonna be like, what's
We are deep in Uganda.
Yeah.
So, what you guys, I'm gonna ask you a question.
Yeah, man.
What is so interesting about Uganda?
About Uganda.
Yeah.
It's a nice country, brother.
What else?
We enjoy the country. Everything is okay.
You watch videos on YouTube?
Sorry?
You watch videos on YouTube?
YouTube.
Yeah. Give him his YouTube channel. So he makes videos on YouTube.
So check it out, man. I'm coming live and direct from London. I was born and bred there, but my parents are from Uganda, and I've come to visit back home and show show the world how we're living in Kampala.
So now we have been staying.
Yeah. So I've been staying here. So I've literally a long time. Yeah, about a month.
You come to visit again Uganda. How found it?
Beautiful. People are very friendly, very organized, great weather.
It's changed.
And it's developing very quickly.
This guy even enjoying the fruits.
Yeah, he's enjoying the mango. Look, he's eating. Yeah.
In 6 years, and I'm happy.
Yeah, home from home.
Blackman Traveller.
Yeah. Check him out, man. That's his YouTube channel. He's the Blackman the Traveller.
Via YouTube.
Yeah, check him right now. Yeah, live and direct. You met a future superstar.
I get.
For sure. Available on yourself.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Oh yeah.
Nyanziza.
Hey, happy New Year.
You too.
Happy New Year. Hey, my bro, I think I took the wrong turning in it, but it's cool. We'll head back in it. I want to take a couple pictures of the backdrop. It all looks the same. I should have got my cousin to come take us.
Hello. Ogambachi.
Yeah, no, I took a wrong turning. That's definitely not where my cousin lives. He lives back up there.
No?
Yeah, because that's going down to the main road. But yeah, man, everyone's just here chilling, time killing. It's a beautiful day. It's baking already, you know. I'm gonna take this jacket off.
It's not even 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's hot already.
Yeah, tell me about it. Beautiful weather, look. Blue skies.
Like Uganda, they don't believe in bins. They believe in like India.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Chucking the rubbish anywhere.
That's very unfortunate. Yeah, look.
It's sad, man.
Is that how it is in India as well?
India's, oh man.
How is it Pakistan? I think Pakistan must be not cleaner than, isn't it?
Pakistan, but they're a bit more civil.
They said India is just whatever the weather.
You ask a random person to wash hands or not?
Yeah, why not, man? Ask her, Alina Kumazi, Kutuzi, Yagala Yoza Ngalo.
So you have mazi, so I can wash my hands?
Ayala Kuyoza Ngalo.
Yeah, this is a thank you. Look at that one. See it there?
Yeah.
Thank you, Nyanziza.
This black man's just washing his hands randomly, yeah?
Nyanziza.
Well, so yeah, in the neighborhood right now. I gotta remember what the turning is. I'll just have to get my uncle to come out.
Come out.
I should have to come with us. Telling me you want some paracetamol. Black man wants some paracetamol.
Hello. Hello.
He's looking for.
It's okay for YouTube. It's okay.
Hello, my friend. How are you today? So what are you selling in this pharmacy?
Usually sell drugs.
Oh, you sell a lot of drugs, huh?
Yeah, all drugs. We sell all drugs.
For sure. So chest infection, I can see a lot of. Okay, malaria. You have malaria tablets.
Yeah.
Okay. You got the malaria. You got the painkillers.
It's used to manage flu.
Okay, flu. Okay, yeah. So influenza.
Basically, this is what.
Perfect. What's your name, brother?
The typical
My name
Uganda.
is Eno Kalumba.
Nice to meet you, Eno Kalumba. Are you on Kinkaya Media? Ah, okay. And okay, do you have to have any qualifications, or you just know how it works?
We do all of them.
All of them, yeah.
Probably we admit people at their homes.
Oh, for sure. So you're street pharmacist, as they say, yeah. Perfect, brother. Follow my YouTube channel. I'll give you a business card.
Okay.
You can check it out.
YouTube as well, sister.
YouTube. Check my channel. I make videos.
Nyanziza, man.
Take care, yeah. So yeah, fully just doing a tour around the neighborhood. I just remember which right it is, bruv.
We came from there. Bro. We came from that way, bro.
Yeah, we came from that way. It must be. It has to be this right. Yeah, yeah. It has to be the second one.
You mean left?
Yeah, sorry, left. Yeah. I know where the yard is, yeah, but everything looks the same, unfortunately, to me, innit?
Man, you gotta get stuck on the feet.
They say you need a toothpick. Yeah, we're here. This is the one. My cousin lives on this house. I wonder if they're gonna be in though. They're gonna be like, "What's Abdul doing, bringing guests at 9 in the morning?" So yeah, man, this is the real Africa for you, bro. Welcome to Kampala.
I'm in the real Africa. I got the mango stuck in my teeth.
Yeah, you need a toothpick now. On that note, I'm gonna leave this video here. Yeah. This is a jackfruit plant. But you don't like jackfruit, do you?
Alright, disgusting.
Alright.